Hi everybody, today I will show you how to customize any website theme without coding. So let's just begin. Alright, so to customize the theme without doing any coding, what we can do is that we have to install the plugins. So first of all, we have to go inside the plugins and click on the add new from here. Alright, so in the plugins, we have to install the website builder here. So if I just write down the website builder here, you will be able to see different website builders. So we have the Elementor, we have the Seedboard, and we have the Visual Composer website builder. And you can also see the bunch of different options here for the website builder. Okay, so with the help of website builder, we can actually customize the theme without doing any coding. Alright, so I would actually use the Elementor here. So I have already installed this. So all I need to do is to update this now. Alright, so we have installed the Elementor, and after that we have to activate this, but I have already installed and activated this. Okay, so after installing the website builder, we can actually use the ready-made website templates. So for that we have to install the plugin here, that would be starter templates. Okay, so in the starter template you will be able to get ready-made templates that you can use for your website, and then you can simply customize any part of the website, and you can also add the new sections in it. Okay, so I have already installed and activated this. Okay, so starter templates. So after that, what we need to do, we have to go inside the appearance, and in the appearance we have to go inside the themes. All right, so as you can see here that I'm using the Astro theme here. Okay, so if I just click on the theme details here, you will be able to see the starter templates here. Okay, and you can also see the starter template here as well. Okay, so to select the template for our website, we'll simply go inside the starter template, and from here, as you can see, that we have a bunch of different templates here that we can use for our website. So right now I will just simply use this one. All right, so as you can see, the template here, the template is looking really great. All right, and really simple. So let's click on skip and continue. From here you can change the colors, and you can also change the fonts from here. Click on the continue, skip and continue here, and click on the submit now, and this will start building our template for our website. All right, so our template is ready. So now let's click on view our website, and you will be able to see our template here. Okay, so you can see the template here, and the great thing is that we can simply edit this template according to our need with the help of Elementor. Okay, so how can we do this? We would simply click on the edit with Elementor, and we will be redirected to the Elementor editor, and from there we can customize our website without doing any code. Alright, so as you can see here, we are inside the Elementor editor, and from here we can simply customize our website. So if I just click on the heading here, you can see here I can simply change the title from here, and if I just try to change the value here, let's just try to change the text here as well. Click here and enjoy your life. All right, so this is how you can change the text, and along with the text we can also see that we have the different size here. So I can change the size of my text, and I can also change the HTML tag of my text, and we can also do the alignment here. So if you want to align it to the left, you can simply click here, and if you align it to the center, you simply click here. In the similar way, we can also go inside the styles, and from here we can change the text color of our text, and we can change the typography, we can change the text stroke, text shadow, and the blend mode. So now let's just click on the typography here. In the typography, as you can see that we have the different options such as family, size, weight, transform, style, decoration, line height, and letter spacing, and in the last we have the word spacing. Okay, so let's just close this. So as you can see here that we have the background image here. So if I want to change this background image, I will simply click here, click on the edit section, because this is the background image of the edit section. That is why we have to click on the edit section, and after that in the style you would be able to see the image here. So if you want to change the image, you simply click here, and you can change the image from the media library, Or if you don't have any image in the stock, you can simply go inside the free images, and from here you can simply choose any image and the image will be copyright free. Okay, so let's just close this. In the similar way, you can see this, we have the image, we have the text, and we have the heading here. So in the image, as you can see here, we have the option to change the image from here, and after that we have the image size option, alignment, caption, and the link. So if I go inside the style here, you will be able to see the option of the width, max width, and height in the image. So if you want to change the width of the image, or if you want to add the max width and the height, you can simply change the values from here. And we also have the option of the opacity. So if you want to add the value of the opacity, you simply can add the value from here. Okay, so right now I just simply go with the default value here. So let's just remove this. And we also have the CSS filters, we have the border type, and we have the border radius. So if you want to add the radius to your image, you can simply add the border radius here. And in the last, we have the advanced settings. Okay, so this is how you can play around with the properties of the image here. And in the similar way, we have the text that we have already discussed. So in the text, we have the title and we have the description. Okay, so if you want to change the description, you can simply change it from here. If you want to change the title, you can simply change the title from here. Okay, so as you can see here, we have this section and we have this image. So customizing the website with the Elementor is really easy. All you need to do is to understand some basic concepts of it, that how can we edit the text, how can we edit the heading, how can we edit the image, and how can we add the sections, how we can add columns and the structures. Then everything works in the similar way. Okay, so if I just go inside here, you can see here we have the text here, and on the side we have the image. So this is actually the two column structure, and in the end, as you can see this, we have this kind of heading here, and in the last we have this footer. Okay, so if you want to add the new section, all you need to do is to click here on add new section, and from here you can simply select your section, whether you want to have a single column structure or two column structure, two unequal column structure. You can see this, we have the four column structure, three column structure. So it actually depends on you what kind of the structure you want to have. So right now I just simply click on the single column structure, and in the container you can see this, we have the width property, we have the min width, we have the direction, we have the justify content, we have the align items and the caps, and you can also see the additional option here. Okay, and at the first we have the content width. So if you want to have the container of this size, then you can simply have it, but if you want to cover the whole width, you will simply click on the full width here. Okay, so if I just click on the full width, now my container covers all the width available. Okay, so in the similar way, we have the style option. So in the style option, you can see this, we have the background, we have the background overlay, border, and we also have this shape builder. So you can simply play around with these values. Alright, so now let's try to have the background here. So I'll simply use the background color here, not the image. So let's click here, and from here I can simply choose the background color. Alright, so I'll go with something, a kind of green color. Okay, so this is looking better. And now I will actually like to add the heading here. So how can I add the heading? That is really easy. Let's just click here, and from here you will be able to see a bunch of different elements that you can use on your website here. So if I want to add the heading, I'll just simply drag the heading and put this on my column here. So this is how I can add the heading here. So if I just change the value here, hello world, and I would actually like to change the color of the text, so that would be the white color. Okay, and let's just go back, and I want to put this into the center. So let's click here. So this is how it works. And if you want to add the padding and the margin, you can simply add it from here. So let's just write down 10 px here and 10 px in the padding. So this is how we can add margin and the padding. All right, so if you want to add another element here, you simply go back, and what you can do here, for example, I want to add the text here. So I'll simply drag this and put this here. You can see this, I have this dummy text. So I would actually simply change color of the text here. So that would be a kind of grayish color. All right, and I would actually like to put this into the center as well. And in the last, I would actually like to add the button here. So I just drag this and put this here, and we have the button here. So in the button, I will just simply change the text here, contact us, and now I would like to align this into the center. And in the last, I would actually like to add the padding here. So let's just unlink the values because I only want to add the padding at the bottom. So let's just add 10 here, and this is looking fine. Okay, so this is how we can add the padding and the margin, and this is how we can add the elements, and this is how we can add the new sections in our website. So this is all for this video, and in this video you would have learned how can we customize the theme in the WordPress without doing any coding. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.